Nobody wanted this house. Empty for 11 years, and the back ceiling had already come down. He bought it anyway. No contractors, no crew, one man, every trade. First rule of renovation: you cannot fix what you cannot see. So everything soft comes out first. Plaster, wallpaper, the false ceiling somebody added in the 70s. A house this size makes 8 tons of waste at strip out. He moved all of it by hand. What's left is the truth about the building. Bare stone and beams nobody had seen in a century.
Now the structure. Block where the wall carries load. Timber where it doesn't. Stud walls are faster and easier to run services through, which matters in about a minute. Every wall gets checked twice. A wall out by 5 millimeters here becomes a door that won't close 6 months later. And the house finally has a shape again.
First fix: everything that has to happen before the walls close up. Electrics first. Every socket, every switch, decided now in an empty shell. Then plumbing. Hot, cold, waste, heating. Pipes get clipped every meter. Skip it and you get water hammer, that bang in the walls every time a tap shuts. This is the least impressive stage of any renovation, and the most expensive one to get wrong. Then the walls close. Plasterboard is where a building site starts looking like rooms. Plastering is where it starts looking like a home. 2 coats, wet on wet. About 40 minutes to get it flat before it goes off. Then sanding. Exactly as unpleasant as it looks. New. Plaster drinks paint. The first coat goes on, watered down, or it peels off in sheets. A year later. Then 2 full coats. Warm white because it holds the light without going cold in the evening. Floors go in after paint, never before. Drips wipe off stone. They don't come out of oak. The kitchen is last and the fussiest. Every unit leveled on its own, because the floor is never as flat as it looks. Doors adjusted until the gaps match. 3 millimeters, all the way down. The run. Then second fix. Everything that was buried in the walls finally comes out of them. And then, after all of it, the boring part. Furniture. 11 years empty. One man. Every trade learned on the way. This is the same room you saw at the start. Would you have taken it on? Or walked away at the front door?